So I just want to show you, for instance, if you're trying to do a downward facing dog and you don't want to have your head down for whatever reason, because you feel dizzy or lightheaded, this is a fabulous dog. Just walk away from your chair, draw your belly in, lengthen your spine, bend your knees. And really, in a lot of ways, this is more of an elongation for your spine than actually being completely upside down. And if being upside down doesn't work for you for whatever reason, like right now, I can tell I'm just too dizzy to be upside down, and you can still get your downward dog in, and you can even do a chair cobra. Lift up, lift up. Don't drop your head all the way back. Make yourself look like a swan. So I hope this has been helpful. Just a small tip. When you're not feeling quite right and you don't want to give up your yoga, because the yoga is good for you in so many ways. I always feel better after I do it, but I have to be more aware when things are not quite right in my body, how to make those adjustments. If you find my tips helpful, please join me twice a week. I do live Zoom yoga classes. I have a very active YouTube channel, and I also work with people privately. So this is Andrea Trank from Heaven Lane Healing and Creative Arts.